Rocks? Are you throwing rocks at us?
Yep, let's go.
I threw rocks at my dog.
Come here. Throw rocks.
I didn't throw rocks. Get away from me! I didn't throw rocks at you!
On January 19th, 2024, Flagler County deputies responded to a complaint involving 2 dogs taken by an ex-boyfriend. But after the caller refused to accept that the dispute was a civil matter, the situation quickly spiraled out of control.
Are you calling me because they
Can you hang up the phone? Can you hang up the phone?
Do you need medical attention?
No.
She's advising no meds.
That is. Alright, thank you.
We're here. So how can we help you?
I don't need your shit. I need you to go get my dogs. No, you're not? Okay. Thank you.
Hold on a second. I want to explain something to you real quick, all right?
Hey.
So you calling 911 like the way you did?
C-22, I copy. So far?
So far?
She just slammed the door. Her face is in the
I reported my dogs. If you're not gonna get my dogs,
I
get the my property.
I need to explain something to you.
I don't need you to
What
explain
you
shit
doing,
to
calling us the way you are,
me. If you want to
is
explain
a
something,
criminal
tell me,
offense.
Can you pass? Can you pass the test?
Pass what test?
Can you pass the test?
Pass any test, yes. What
I'm
test
sorry.
are you trying to
I'm
have me
sorry.
pass?
I'm sorry. Get off my property. You're not gonna get my dogs. Get the f off my property. My shit was stolen. I pay Nappy's vet bill.
I could explain some options for you.
I don't want options. I want my f***ing dog.
Okay.
And you're not gonna do that. So get the.
So you don't want to know the options that you have?
I
and how to
don't
get
have
them?
options. I want my dog.
Okay.
And you're not gonna get my dog. So please, just leave. Okay? You're not gonna get my dog?
So.
I don't care what you have to say. You're not gonna get my dog, right?
But you don't care what
that
I
I
have to say.
pay for?
But you don't care what I said.
What do you have to say to me?
So.
What do you have to say to me
So.
that I don't already know?
I don't think you do know, honestly, ma'am.
Oh my God! What? They know I'm black or something? Now you gotta send 5 of you? Get the away from me.
Do you know?
You're not gonna get my dog? Get the away from me. You aren't worth a.
Want you to
Go
do.
patrol some dumb spot.
Here's
Go
an option
patrol
that you can look
Plum
at.
Coast like you have been. Go gang up on the like you have
Here's
been.
an option that you
Do
have.
your pointless work and don't do a goddamn thing for me because you're not gonna do shit for me.
Can I explain something?
I paid $3 grand for this dog and for my ex to come in and take him.
Mm-hmm.
You, no offense, you go post up.
Yep.
Get the out of my yard. Nobody needs you.
So,
It's a civil matter that they can't even help. Get the out my yard.
No, here's the deal. I'm the
No! You bald, you skinhead, you racist. Go gang up on somebody else, you racist. Go post up. You work for me, you. This is what the you do. You're civil help. Get the out of here. Get off my yard. Go post up. Go waste your time sitting somewhere else.
You're wasting my time
You
right
fat
now. 911
skinhead.
over
Over and over and over. You don't work for dispatch, you fat. You sit in a yard. Shut the up and get the. What the? Do you answer phone calls? No. Get the out of here. You're not needed. They have it under control. They have it well under control. Get the out of here, you skin-headed. You short. You fat. You slow.
so,
You can't even pass a test. Go
So,
join the army. Go be in the reserves. But you can't do that. But you can't. That's why you already are. Get the out of here. Nobody needs you. Nobody needs you.
So I'm gonna explain a couple things to
And
you.
go on my tags. Make sure you see me. Make sure you get me out
I'm
there
gonna
because you
explain
have
a couple
nothing
things to
better to do. Get your bald-headed ass out of my. Get off my. No, shut up. Hold on one
Don't
second.
tell me to shut up. Don't
Shut
tell me
up.
to shut
I
up.
can. I can. Get off my property, all of you.
So
Get off my property, you fat.
option you
You
have
short little
is to
fuck.
look up on Google, okay? And
Shut up.
misuse,
Get off my property.
misuse
I'm
of
off-
911, which is a criminal offense. All right.
Get off my property.
And disorderly conduct. Yeah, I know. And I've been trying to get the 911. So.
At that point, deputies decided it was time to walk away and end the conversation.
Then take recordings they sent us and just attach it to the
It's
file.
not misuse, you dumb f***. My dog is gone. That I paid $3,000 for. He's f***ing gone.
Well, we tried.
So f*** you. You. You.
Look up
You're
disorderly
not worth
conduct. Look up
You're
disorderly
not worth
conduct. Look up
Get
disorderly conduct.
off my property.
Look up disorderly
Get
conduct.
the f*** out.
Look up disorderly.
You. You and f*** you. Get the f*** off.
Screaming
You
at us
think
isn't
you're
gonna
so
change anything.
hot because you're f***ing man on my property? Get the f*** out, you
You gotta let
go
them
f*** each
Yeah,
other.
Hope you
Go
find your.
f*** each other.
Have a good night.
Go f*** each
Good luck finding your dog.
Fuck you.
Enjoy your night.
To the rocks.
Are you throwing rocks at us?
Yep.
I threw rocks in my yard.
Come here.
Throw rocks.
Come here.
I didn't throw rocks. Get away from me! I didn't throw rocks at you!
You did.
No, I
You did. Put that
didn't!
behind your back.
I threw rocks
Put your hand on your back now. Stop
I
resisting.
threw rocks. Ow! Ow! I threw
Stop
rocks in my
resisting.
yard!
Stop resisting.
Ow! Ow!
Got one.
No! Look where the rocks went!
Stop resisting now.
I'm not
You're under
resisting!
arrest.
Look where the rocks went!
Right at us.
No, you're lying!
Well, you definitely threw them at us.
No, my dog's in there alone, please.
Well,
I didn't. I
You did
threw
this
them
yourself.
down.
you absolutely did.
Charlie, you
No, because there's no. You know what? I have cameras. I have cameras in my front
That's
yard.
perfect.
I didn't throw rocks at you. I threw them down, and it's on my camera. So, fine. It's on my camera. You've done this before to my ex. I didn't. You know I didn't throw rocks at you. They didn't even touch you. You heard them, and you got. And you heard my dog is in there. Please let me tell my mom.
Where's your mom?
She's in St. Augustine. Nobody is here. Nobody is here, and I threw them in the yard. It's on my camera.
Well, we have that. We can tack on the issues tonight.
Oh yeah, we have that. We can back on you, skinheaded. It's on my camera, and you. Oh! Ow! I can't. I threw the rocks in my. God, you dirty. You can't take me talking shit to you. You have to do this to me. I threw the rocks in my yard. I don't even.
Take a
Oh
seat.
no, my dog! I can't. My dog, my baby.
Come on, take a seat.
No, my baby. Okay, but my baby. I didn't. You know I didn't. Just like you know I didn't. It's this skinhead.
Put your feet in the car.
Nobody's even out. Nobody is
Come on.
here. I have to call. Please, I know.
You'll have your chance to call. Get in the car.
No, I don't have any shoes. The jail's dirty. I didn't do anything to you, and it's gonna come on camera.
We're gonna drag you in the car.
And you attacked
on.
my door.
If I have to pull you in this car, I will. But I don't want to.
But I
Put
know
your feet in
because
the
you
car.
know I did
I'll
it.
keep talking to you if you put your feet in the car.
Get that skinhead the out of here, you racist. You racist mother. Yeah, record me. He's racist. And I threw rocks in my yard, and racist.
Come on, have your seat in the car.
We're making race comments as you out here. We're making race comments.
Come on, put your feet in the car.
I threw rocks in my yard. I'm allowed to do that.
Come on.
Stop the car.
Please, I just graduated college. This is gonna mess me up taking my board. And I'm supposed to take my boards the 1st of March. I paid like 30 grand at Kaiser University and I did really good, and I'm in debt so bad, and this is gonna ruin it. I can't afford it, you know. I don't have money, like, I can't afford to just pay this debt and not have a... Okay, but like, you're ignoring me so bad. Is that because you know? Please, like, human to human, like, you know I didn't. You know I didn't try to hurt you. You know that, like, human to human. You are a human, like, that's what will save your all's career, like, just be a human. You know I didn't try to hurt you. I know better. Oh my God, I'm not gonna get out. And you're putting it, can you at least tell me what you're saying my arrest is for? What is it?
Assault on Leo, ×3.
The ×3? 3 felonies? You're gonna ruin my future! It's on video when you know it. Assault. What did you feel? Tell me, officer. What did you feel?
In the end, Ebony Romanek was charged with 3 counts of assault on a law enforcement officer, misuse of the 911 system, and resisting an officer without violence. What began as a disagreement over 2 dogs ended with multiple deputies rushing in to make an arrest after rocks allegedly started flying. If you enjoy videos like this, like, subscribe, and check out the next story.